Guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color of the chart on MS Word. So first of all, to open MS Word, after opening it here, I'm just going to create a new blank document. And for changing the color of the chart, first we just need to insert a chart. So for that, here on the top, we can see here many options, and here is an option. You can see here insert, click on that. And from here is an option, you can see here chart, click on that. And from here, you can just choose the chart that you wanted. And after selecting the chart, you can click on OK. So now you can see that you had been insert the chart. And for changing the color here on the top, here is an option. You can see here change color. Click on that. And from here, you can just choose the color that you wanted. So this is how you can change the color of the chart on MS Word. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.